All right, what's up, guys? I'm gonna make this quick because I don't know. I just recorded this whole intro, and for some reason my phone kept cutting in and out. Like, it paused it, played it, paused it, played it. It was weird. But basically, we're gonna tear down the block because we're running these high compression Wiseco 12.5 to 1 compression, 87.5 millimeter pistons. And anybody that knows, K24 is a 87 millimeter bore, so we have to bore it out 0.5 on each cylinder. So I gotta take it apart so I can take it to the machine shop. Sorry, I'm talking super fast, but I already wasted about like 5 minutes making the other one, and for some reason it wasn't recording, or it was recording but kept cutting out, which was weird. But yeah, so we gotta take all this off, all the progress that we made, but it's for a better goal. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, just finished stripping down the block, got it all bagged up, and we also got the crank bagged up, the girdle bagged up, all the bearings and everything. Water plates right there, bearings are in the box underneath it just to keep the dust out. But yeah, ITBs are on the floor because we're doing some cylinder head stuff pretty quick. I gotta bring those inside. We also got the transmission case back from Javier all repaired and everything. Just another thing I want to talk about because we got some transmission stuff coming in too. So I'm looking forward to that. So pretty soon we're gonna have cylinder head build going too, and the transmission. So everything's coming together. Of course, everything, the transmission, the cylinder head, and the block are still missing a couple things for each for themselves, but slowly this car is coming together, and like they're pretty important things as far as the transmission, the block, and the cylinder. So yeah, so like I said, 12.5 to 1 compression Wiseco pistons. This is one new one, and then I have 3 kind of new ones because so they run a car. I guess the tuner didn't know what he was doing, put the car on too much timing, car blew a cylinder, kind of messed it up. One of them, I think it's this top one right here, has like some dings on the bottom from, it must have been the one next to the piston that blew up, but it's not nowhere integral. And I mean, they're practically brand new. The coating's still on there. You can still read the W nice and clean. And I mean, compared to this one, they're practically brand new. So car's coming together. I got to clean up the mess in the engine bay over there because, you know, doing like 30 different things to this car, it made a mess. So I'm gonna clean that up. Also did a couple other things. I don't know if I ever mentioned it. I think I did. I mounted the seat. The pedals are actually in too. You can't really see them, they're down there. I mean, I think I have one more bolt I gotta put in, but for the most part they're solid. And then this is attached to the bumper now, the beam tripper. So that was like stupid little things I did off screen because it wasn't enough to make a video out of it. And frankly, when I put the pedals in, it was just a lot of swearing and arguing with the car and seeing how I could fit myself around the cage underneath the dashboard, which was not a fun time. My back did not appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, this is a quick little video just to put it out there for you guys and let you know what's coming up. And you know, hopefully we'll be at the track soon. I mean, I want to be testing, maybe not racing, but I mean at least testing and racing the car by the end of the year. So it's coming along and I'm excited. So I actually recorded this because when I first did it, I didn't sound excited enough to me, but I really am excited, and I appreciate all the people behind me, like Savi, Javier, my family, my girlfriend, people at work that watch this. You know, I'm looking forward to it. And you know, everybody, Ramon, you know, just people that, you know, keep me motivated. You know, I mean, like I have other people building cars, other people racing out there, and it keeps me motivated to keep working on this car because I want to race with them and against them. So, you know, car's coming along and I'm excited. I mean, I don't know.
What's up, guys? It's Eggy in post after everything that edited. I was gonna wait to tell you guys everything that we were waiting for. Yes, I'm in the car. All the parts and crap back there. Everything, you know, in the front. But yeah, I'm sitting in the car and I was thinking about it and I can't wait because I'm really excited. I'm like a little kid. So I was talking about the trans case because we're getting our PVG 1 and 2 and our M Factory LSD. Thank you to It's Chris on Instagram, Sellers Inc. for fast shipping, always, you know, treating his customers good. You know, it's not a store. It is a store, but he does it himself. So I appreciate him. And we're also getting our Super Tech head package and our Drag Cartel cams. 4 5s. So this car's gonna be super choppy. I'm super excited the way it's gonna sound. I can't wait. I mean, this car just went from something super simple to something above and beyond what I expected. So that's something I just wanted to mention. I'll throw little pictures up next to my head to show you guys what all the parts look like and stuff. But besides that, now really for real, see you guys next week when the parts come in.